Welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a paper roll and a ribbon cartridge in your Bixlon SRP 275 point-of-sale impact printer. Now you want to make sure that you are using bond paper rolls or carbonless paper rolls. You do not want to use thermal paper in an impact or dot matrix printer. So pull this button to open up the back hatch and drop in your new roll. Now you want to make sure that you are placing it with the paper feeding under and not over. So drop it in, pull out some paper, close it, and tear off the excess. Now the type of ribbon that you'll need is the ERC38, which I have right here. And you'll notice that there is a knob right here. Now before you do anything, you want to make sure you twist that knob clockwise to tighten the ribbon. And that way it doesn't twist inside the printer. So once you've done that part, open up the front hatch. And you're going to put in the printer ribbon with the knob facing upward and the ribbon facing towards the paper roll side. And you're actually going to place the ribbon behind the print head. So carefully place it behind the print head and then push the ribbon down. You'll hear the click. So now you've got the knob right here. The ribbon is behind the print head. And what you're gonna wanna do is twist the knob one more time just to make sure it's super tight. A lot of times we get calls from customers saying that they're having issues with their ribbons, and a lot of times it's because it's not tight enough. So make sure you twist that one more time, close it, and you are ready to roll. At POS Supply Solutions, we offer everything from bond paper rolls to 2-ply and 3-ply carbonless paper rolls, as well as printer ribbons for your SRP 275 series printer. You can shop online at possupply.com or give us a call if you have any questions. And be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this from your POS Supply experts.